Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to our vlog, our first vlog for February. To be honest with you, it's the first vlog of the year. The last time we actually did a vlog was around about Christmas when we had the Grinch in and stuff, which was a bit funny. But yeah, I've done a couple of builds since then, so we've got a few things to sort of show you, a couple of nice videos for you to watch. So first off, we did this beauty just here. If we just bring you in, it's a Hurricane. I do believe it's the Mark II. Right, I'll just get out the actual box. Right, it is this beauty here. It is the 1/48 scale Armour Hobbies Hurricane Mark IIc Troop, which has got all that kind of nice desert sort of camo going on with it. Now this kit is kind of a new kit. I think it was new tooled last year, 2023, right? But it is an absolute beauty. Now after building this, right, well, first thing you'll probably notice is the surface detail is absolutely gorgeous. You'll notice this kind of you know, you got raised rivets at the back, and then at the front it's recessed rivets. It's got quite a mixture of rivets going on there, which is very accurate to the actual aircraft, which is rather nice to see. When building this aircraft, to be honest with you, it fit really well. There's no real issue. The only issue I found with it was we have our canopy at the back here. I've decided to have mine closed, but there's like a really big gap, right, as you can see just there. So that just, it was just a little bit annoying, but that was really the only issue with it. If you do decide to build this, you know, I say it fits beautifully, surface details lovely. If I was to criticize a few other little things as well, the raised rivets on this, they're not rounded, they're kind of a bit more pointy, spiky. So when you kind of do things like you know, you kind of do like a wash on it and you start to kind of clean out the wash with a kitchen paper towel or even cotton wool buds, because they're quite spiky and pointy, it sort of seems to want to rip all your kitchen paper towels up and catch all the hairs off your cotton wool buds. So it does make the cleanup a little bit more tricky, but you know, it's not the end of the world. I did go, you probably have to, I can't remember exactly what the colour is, but the underside colour, yeah, you're probably best watching the video. I think it was AK, one of AK colours, but I was really I went through loads and loads of colours to try and find the right colour, and even this colour that's on here just seemed a little bit dark. So I found what was kind of like the right tones and hues and stuff. It just needed to be a little bit lighter. So when putting this colour on, it was just a case of kind of, when you kind of mix up for a bleach, right, just kind of bleach over the whole thing a little bit, just to kind of bring it a bit lighter, and then you really do get a good colour match. But again, go check out the video on that one, which is in rapid video build format, by the way. So it's really nice, quick and to the point, and very punchy with that. So that was our first build we did. Then we've got this one as well. We've gone off and built a whole another one just here. This is the Hellcat. It's by Edard. It's in 1/48 scale. I have built this before. It's a little bit of an old-ish kit, but in all honesty, it's still really good today. The fit is amazing. The only real problem is, you know, it's got a little bit of flash around the edges, and just got to take care of that. But apart from that, pretty damn good kit. Oh, sorry, apart from that, I will say, you know, the decals in this, they are those type of decals where you put the decal on, and when you've got it to conform and everything, then you've got to peel off the film, right? It's one of them, but the instructions don't tell you it's one of them. So it's a little bit annoying when you've got so far through the build and then you realize it's one of them. But you know, I ended up kind of going, oh, stuff it, I'll keep going forwards with the build rather than kind of stepping back and trying to remove all this film, because I'd gone into gloss stages and stuff. So it was kind of like carry on with it. But in all fairness, even though it is one of those, you know, peel off the second layer on the decal there, you know, actually it seems to have gone down quite well anyway. So you can get away with just going down that way. But yeah, really cool. Do like it. The underside we did some white, so kind of white's a little bit different when it comes to bleaching, because you can't bleach white anymore. So we kind of tackled that as well. Other than that, very nice build. Do like the pattern on it. We did some freehand as well with this camo pattern, because you know it's not like a sharp view, it's more of a feathered one, so you know we went freehand to imitate that. I do like the actual face on this, you know, a nice bit of a shark's face. Kind of looks smiley and happy, and then it looks just nasty and angry, so I do find that rather funny. But yeah, another video for you to go check out, also in rapid video build format. Then we have the Phantom just over here. I'll just go grab it. Yep, so here is the Phantom. Phantom, nice big one by Ming 148 scale. We are, you know, kind of nicely sealing up all our canopy area. It's all masked up and, you know, temporarily glued down before we can open up at the end. But yeah, we're in the spray stage, so pretty much after this video I'm going to probably go off and work on this. Probably going to be doing some nice natural metal finish at the back here, really kind of getting this going. Might try something a little bit different. We'll see how we go, and just look forward for that. So we'll be seeing some more episodes of that coming along. And also that's our step-by-step. Our next rapid video build is, you might have already seen it in the background just here, we have the Ming 148 scale FA18, which, if I just get this out, right, again, this is in rapid video build, so it's going to be nice, quick, punchy, but I've already done the cockpit. Hopefully you can see that. I'm using the decals. I do find that actually if you want to go off and sort of like close a canopy, maybe put a pilot in there, which is what I'm going to do with this, do you know what, using the decals, there's nothing wrong with it. It just makes things quick, easier, and it does they do actually look good. Hopefully if I just show you just in there, it does actually look really good. But Ming's been really good with that so far as well. This kit is going together beautifully. I mean, considering it's an FA18 Hornet and all that kind of stuff, I mean, you know, Hasegawa's done it. These kind of things can be a bit sort of intermediate, advanced with, you know, getting things to fit right, because of just the general shape of the aircraft. It's a bit of a challenge for the manufacturers, but in this case, you know, this is going together so well. So should be seeing that completed by you know, probably the next vlog in March, so that's going to be coming along rather well. I did get sent, just get it out here, did get sent this by aircraft.co.uk, nice company. They sent me this beautiful airbrush by Iwata. It's their Highline one, their HPBH, and that's going to be sort of featuring in the Hornet rapid video build as well, so we get to see this in action throughout that build and get to see what it's all about. So there you have it. That is everything that has come and what is to come. Hopefully you're going to be looking forward to the Hornet and all the other videos that's going to be coming along. But again, as always, happy modeling. Hopefully you're enjoying, sort of, it's a bit cold, so you're in building your models and stuff, and hopefully you're building everything that you had over Christmas and having fun. But as always, until next time, my name's Bobby Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.